Hi everyone, this is the Wi-Fi Air Purifier security camera. Let's see what it comes with and how to set it up. Let's take a look at everything your device will come with. First, you'll see it comes with the unit. It is an actual functioning air purifier. The buttons on top will activate the air purifier, and there's even a filter on the bottom. What we'll see next is the charging cable and the user manual and reset key. The user manual is going to let you know everything you need to set up the device and set it up in the app. The only real setup you need to do is pop this little panel off on the bottom and insert your memory card. This device can take up to a 256GB SD card. After that, all you need to do is pop that little panel back on and then plug the device in. The rest of the setup is going to be on the Tuya Smart app. Once the device is plugged in, all we need to do is tap that little plus in the top right corner and then tap Add Device. There's a new Bluetooth functionality that if your Bluetooth is on, the security camera will show up right at the top. If not, you can still set it up by Wi-Fi by going down to the camera and lock, and then Smart Wi-Fi camera option. Then you tap Next, and then log into your Wi-Fi network. Now you hold your phone 4 to 6 inches from the device. It should scan it pretty quickly and then begin adding. Now we can click on it and see the live view. Down here, there are a lot of different options. In the playback, we can go to our timeline and look at our footage stored on our SD card. We also have the option to subscribe for cloud storage. In the gallery, we can view our past recordings, we can select and delete them, and then if you click in on it, you can also download it straight to your phone. Back in the menu, there's some other options as well, like turning on and off the motion detection, turning on and off the night vision, and locking the device. Back on the menu, there's some more suggestions for the cloud storage, and there's a couple other quick options for your camera. Now let's take a look at a daytime quality demonstration. Here's a live video demonstration at 10 feet, 20 feet, and around 30 feet. And now the night vision. As you can see, this is in a tight corridor and complete darkness. If you like that video and want to check out this product or any other products like it, give us a visit at spycenter.com.